In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset market cap in CoinMarketCap. If you're looking to refresh or clear your filters to get back to the default view of cryptocurrency data, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just getting started with cryptocurrency, knowing how to manage these settings can be incredibly useful for analyzing market trends efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the website, which you'll likely be familiar with. As you land on the homepage, you'll see a comprehensive dashboard featuring real-time prices, charts, and market capitalizations of various cryptocurrencies. This platform provides a powerful toolset for analyzing and tracking the crypto market's overall performance. Now, keep your eyes on the task at hand. Just up on the main navigation bar, you'll notice several options and filters that allow for customization of data displayed. The next step is to locate and click on the Filters button. This button gives you access to a range of customizable options, allowing you to refine the list to meet your specific needs by narrowing down assets by categories such as industry, market cap size, and other metrics. After spending time exploring different filters, you might want to reset them and see the data in its default form, so let's find out how. Once you've clicked on the Filters button, you should see various options that you've applied during your use of the website. However, to go back to the initial unfiltered list of cryptocurrencies, you'll need to find and click on the Reset button. This step is crucial, as it ensures that all filters are cleared. You might find it refreshing to see the list reset, giving you a clean slate to apply new filters if desired. Remember, resetting filters does not delete any data. It simply clears any search criteria you've previously set. With your filters now reset, it's time to apply this change. Look for the Apply button visible within the Filters dialog. Clicking on Apply will ensure that your reset command takes effect, and you'll quickly notice your screen updating to display real-time cryptocurrency data in its default, untouched form. This action confirms that all applied filters are cleared, letting you observe the market without any prior customizations that might have skewed your view. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to resetting market cap in CoinMarketCap. By refreshing the filters, you gain a clear perspective on the market, helping you to make more informed decisions in your crypto endeavors. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials designed to make your cryptocurrency journey smoother. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and trading wisely.